Hey everybody, thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Fly Fish Dan. Today, we're gonna talk about netting a fish. Now, don't laugh because we've all been with that guy that doesn't know how to net a fish, and that could be kind of nerve-wracking, especially if you got a really big fish on. So I have net a ton of fish in my life, and I'm gonna show you a few tips that I've used in netting fish. The first thing you wanna try to do is you wanna try to get the fish's head up before you net it, right? That is, fight him until he's tired, and then when his head is up and he's coming at you, that's when you make this real confident, quick but not too quick scooping motion and try to lead the fish into the net head first, and then scoop it right up. Just like you're ladling out some soup, you want to scoop under the fish and bring it out. Now, I know that sounds really simple, but a lot of people, when they're netting fish, they'll either try to stab at it too quickly, come in from the side, come in backwards, hold the net in the water, waiting for the fish. You want to have the net at the ready. It can be touching the water, but away from the fish, because a lot of times if the fish see the net up close, they're going to take off running again. But you want to have a confident netting action. And really, that's what it boils down to, right? When you have confidence in netting a fish, it makes the biggest difference. And that's probably the biggest pointer that I can give you, is both with technique, but also net with confidence. Now, a lot of this netting style is for trout fishing. There is a way when you're fishing saltwater fishing and you're fishing for these giant salmon, you want to do kind of a suitcase, right? You do the same kind of thing, lead the fish in, but then you immediately pull the net up close and suitcase the fish in. And if you're a salmon fisher, you're gonna know exactly what I mean. But when you're fishing these smaller trout, and smaller meaning, anywhere from 1 pound to 5 or 6 to 7 pounds, this is this type of technique you want to use when you're netting these fish. All right, so I hope that helps you not only catch more fish, but land more fish, so you can get that Instagram photo of your favorite fish. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. And hey, if you're just starting out with fly fishing and you need a little help with fly fishing gear, I put together a tutorial right here that goes into the details of everything you're gonna need to get started with fly fishing. All right, everybody, until the next time, fish on.